Hello there, I'm Robert from your information station. Do you suffer from allergies? Gosh, the only allergy I suffer from is cedar pollen. Over here in south central Texas, the hill country, it's terrible at this time of year. I can't even go outside for 5 minutes and I come back in. My eyes are watery, my nose is itching, my throat is starting to get all scratchy and everything. It's horrible. My nose starts running. It's awful. I can't stand it. And one way I've found to combat this, other than medicine, which really doesn't help, some allergy medicine, is a face mask. Now, the one in particular that I have is I found this works by accident. I just happen to have a couple of these lying around in my tool shed and decided to try it out. For the past couple of years, when I go outside, I wear this mask. This one is made by North, and it's got the P100 filters. These filter 99.9% of damn near everything, and they filter out pollen. So when I step outside, like I did today, I walked around outside thinking it was a great day today. They said the pollen count was low. It may have been low, but it wasn't low enough for me. And so I came back in after only being outside for 10 minutes. I came back in just awful. So I have to close up my door and everything else like that. I have to sit here for a while, breathing just, the air that's inside here. And it takes about an hour for me to get back to being good again. But when I go outside, I just put this on just so I can, go maybe do something outside real quick. I'm not outside for hours at a time wearing this because it gets uncomfortable being on for that long. But it's so simple to put on, and it's also comfortable, uncomfortable for long periods, but comfortable enough that I can use this. And sometimes when I go over to my son's place, which is right next door, I'll just hold it up to my face like this, and press it up against my face so it seals right around here. It seals all this area here, and I can, when I get to his place, I can then take it off, and set it down on the table and go about my business over there, visiting him and stuff like that, my granddaughter. And then if I have to do something where I have to actually wear it, well, even with my glasses on, it's this simple. Just put it over like that, and then these two ends here it is, this end and this end, they snap together behind my neck. Oh, I tightened it a little bit too tight. Oh, but that's okay. Yeah, there we go. So now it's nice and snug up against my face. And as you can see, as I breathe in, it pulls in right here. It's pulling the air in through here and through here. When I breathe out, it pushes the air out through here. And if I cover these up, I can't breathe at all. So this thing works. It works excellent. Let me take this off now. Oops. There we go. I'm taking it off. I prefer to take my glasses off, put them back on, and it's that simple to use. It works a lot. Now, replacing these filters is an easy deal also, because you just unscrew it off, and that's it. And then put them back on. And to clean, you can clean all around here. I just washed this with some water just a minute ago before I started this video. So replacement filters are all over Amazon. You can buy replacement filters for these things. And cleaning the inside is quite simple also, because all I did, once again, I just ran the water in there and I used my hand and scrubbed around and got this paper towel to get into places, dry it off and stuff like that. Get underneath this lip right here, get underneath that, clean it off, stuff like that. This front piece right here, where the air goes out, just snaps off. There's a little lip on here. There it goes, just pulls off. Then you can clean this. Then you can clean this flap, lift it up, clean underneath it. So it doesn't stay all dirty and stuff. And if you suffer from allergies, give this a shot. It will really help you. And they're not expensive, $30, something like that. So they're not expensive at all, and they like I said, they work fantastic. I can be outside, and I've done this for a couple of hours at a time even. I've been outside with this, testing it out, and I do not suffer from any allergy symptoms at all because I'm wearing this, and it's keeping the allergens from going into my respiratory system and causing havoc. Because, man, cedar fever is a problem. I don't suffer from any other allergies, so live oak or any of those grasses or anything like that. So I can't say it works for those, but I'm sure it will, since it filters out 99.9% of organic material. So yeah, I have to reiterate it. If you suffer from allergies, give something like this a try. I think you'll find that it really does work. And you know what? If you have to go outside with it to the store, turn it right side up. Does it really matter? Because look at the way people are wearing masks all the time anyways for COVID. Now, as far as a COVID mask, yeah, I can't say if it'll work or not, but, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about allergies. It's a great mask.